If you're having a hard time getting over something that somebody did to you, an easy way to do it is choose the higher vibrational emotion or thought. So for instance, I have an ex-employee and friend who stole an entire tool bag from me. It was where most of my main tools that I used were. And so now anytime I need a tool that was in that tool bag, I think about this incident. And rather than falling into the vibrational emotions of shaming him, wanting to assess guilt on him, maybe even getting angry at him, I choose the higher vibrational emotions. I hope that he's having a good time with the tools. I love the fact that he benefits from them now. In every moment, we have this choice. And the more practice we get at choosing higher vibrational thoughts, feelings, and eventually actions, the more that your reality will reflect one of happiness, love, abundance. So this isn't a message to shame anybody for shaming other people, right? We have anger, we have hatred, we have these emotions for a reason. We also have a choice, and we choose the realities that we sit in by this choice.